Oh, pagbabalik sa Soler. And this is the guy who brought me back here.
Ooh, tama.
I haven't been on this stage for a long time.
Ipinagdiwang ni Mark Bautista ang kanyang 20th anniversary sa showbiz sa pamamagitan ng isang concert sa Theater at Soler called Mark, My Dreams. Isa ako sa napakaraming guest sa kanyang concert. Kasama ko si Arman Ferrer at si Franco Laurel dahil dinirect kami ni Mark sa aming concert na Mr. Streisand. Bago nag-show, nakihalubilo muna kami sa lobby. Andun si Aisel Santos, who's going to be starring in the movie version of Himala, the musical. At ito ang number namin sa kanyang show.
'Cause I can't wait, I gotta celebrate, it's a fact. We got first grade at Saturday when we make love, the baby. Come on, you're my everything, you're my one attraction. You must be heaven sent. You give me so much satisfaction.
Thank you so much for directing Mr. Streisand. Congratulations today.
Thank you.
Congratulations for 20 plus years in the music industry. Mabuhay ka, Direct Mark.
Salamat sir.
Extra.
Extra, I'm in
May part po ba?
Yun na nga pag-uusapan natin. Direct Mark, ano ba? Ang repeat, meron ba?
Oh, dito na daw ang repeat.
Oo.
Yun na ba?
Schedule yun na.
May kaibigan tayo dito. Pwedeng pag-usapan.
Patikim po lang
Pero
natin
this time,
to.
hindi ka lang director, dapat start the show.
Oo, gusto ko na, nainggit ako eh.
Mr. Streisand ka na din.
Oo, nainggit kasi ako eh. Gusto
Okay,
kong gawin.
so we'll leave you to yourself.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Maraming
much.
salamat
Mark.
guys for
Thank you so much
joining
for
me
having
tonight.
us.
Congrats, Director.
Abangan po natin sila ulit.
So, kakatapos lang namin mag-perform ng napakaikling...
Pero main event.
Mas matagal pa yung paglagay ko ng makeup kaysa pagkanta namin. Pero okay lang yun, para kay Mark.
Todo suporta mga kaibigan ni Mark mula sa showbiz. Andun si Christian Bautista, si Eric Santos, si Jonah, Catherine Velarde, Rod Daniel, Arthur Neri, at si Miss Regine Velasquez. Pinanood namin ang show mula sa monitor ng aming dressing room at talaga naman napakagaling ni Mark. Congratulations, Mark, for being such a fantastic singer, actor, and now director.